Vote for me, make a job president. Vote for me, make a job president. Vote for me, I want job president. Vote for me, make a job president. I will make you vice president.
Personally, in the next 10 years, I believe Ghana will not be as we see currently.
In 10 years, I'm sure we'll be far. We'll have gone far, but then there'll still be room for improvement.
In the next 10 years, I wish our healthcare system will be upgraded.
I think healthcare could be improved drastically.
From what you can see, they implemented the National Health Insurance Scheme. That was, I think, some couple of years back, and it's not doing quite well.
Recently, a friend of mine was sick. He was down with cholera, and we had to rush him to Achimota Hospital. We went there. They said the beds were full. We went to 37, the same issue. We went to what's the name? Rich Hospital. They also said the beds were full. It was at the Rich Polyclinic that they had a bed for him. And had it not been the timely intervention of the doctors there, my friend would have passed away.
It is rather amazing that doctors even go on strike when their core and objective principle is to save lives. So why should they go on strike? Because of monetary values or something otherwise?
I know of a place in the Volta region where they still don't have quick access to health services. I think it should be developed more in those areas, in those remote areas. So, we can prevent certain deaths and whatnot.
There are some places in this country, as for this time, that they don't have any health facilities. So when they are sick, they have to cross rivers and walk long distances to nearby villages in order to have access to health care.
Well, healthcare has been a very dicey issue because you have governments come and go with different agendas concerning the healthcare policies in Ghana.
If you really look at the country now, many people are finding it difficult accessing health. And why? Because health is an issue that is being politicized. One political party will come and say this, another will come and say that.
When I listen to the presidential debate between Nana Akufo-Addo and John Dramani Mahama and Abu Sakara and Hassan Yariga, I think Nana Addo said the subscribing of NHIS has been reducing from 9 million to 8 million, and Mahama also said it has increased from 9 million to 25 million. So we are not really getting the figures clear.
We realize that accessibility to health is a crucial issue. Recently, the PPP presidential candidate went for a health screening and he said he was going to make it public. And we know what happened to our late president recently. And issues, this person said he died of this person said he died of this.
Well, I believe if it is to be maintained as to how we are having, NHIS and then having free maternal care and all that during and after this elections is going to help us a lot, because many of our mothers go to the hospitals with stillbirths and all that because they don't have proper care during their pregnancy period.
I see healthcare to be very big, in the sense that, first of all, see NHIS, the National Health Insurance Scheme that we have. I know that, let's say, in the next 5 or 10 years, it's going to expand, catering for a whole lot of sicknesses.
They have improved on it before, so why not? It can happen again.
It will be a gradual process for us to improve.
Our health sector should be made free, if possible, where when you are sick, you just go to the hospital and you don't have to worry. You don't even have to think of taking money to the hospital, because when you get to the hospital, from the door to you seeing the doctor, everything is going to be catered for. You don't have a problem, you get free drugs.
We can actually make health very, very phenomenal in Ghana, where people can sit in their rooms and have just make calls for vans to come and cater for them without necessarily having to walk to hospital and all that.
I would like to see Ghana having more MRIs than just Kolebu and 37, like almost every hospital having more MRIs. I would want healthcare to be more free.
For the one-time premium of the NHIS, which failed by the sitting government, I think it will be good for them to restructure and then have it done, because I believe the government of Ghana will be able to do that if they want to really do it.
In 10 years, I hope the one-time premium would be materialized, because paying once is better than you paying yearly. if I paid last year and this year I don't pay, doesn't mean that this year I won't be taken care of. So I think repaying once is the best.
So for me, in the next 10 years, we should have a country where health should be free and accessible to anyone, where we don't have people going to nursing training colleges because they find no option and that's the only place to go. Many people go there because they think they have no option. They don't have the passion for that profession. They enter there and they become nurses in the long run. When you go to the hospitals, even the way they treat you will forever make your sickness remain there.
This shouldn't be the case. As a country like Ghana, we have to try and work on making healthcare facilities available and accessible to almost every part of the country.
As a country, we've come a long way. I mean, we started from somewhere, from the cash and carry, straight on to the national health insurance.
I believe that we'll get to a point where healthcare will be free and accessible to all. Yeah. If the politicians should stick to that agenda and keep to it.
I have always been an optimist, so certainly for the next 10 years I would be expecting that the health conditions of Ghanaians will be far, far better than we have it today. But I'm looking at policies not just to help people, as in those who will be falling sick and be getting to the hospitals. I'm not just looking at a free healthcare delivery system or something, but I'm looking at systems that should be put in place to help us in terms of preventing the diseases. Malaria is still a major problem in Ghana, and it's quite simple. What prevents us as a country from putting in place measures to distill our gutters and also share enough of this mosquito nets to prevent a lot of people from getting the malaria before they even start getting to the hospital to be enjoying the free healthcare delivery.
So we must also be looking at ways that we can, measures that we can take to ensure that we even prevent prevent disease in the first place, rather than talking about getting people sick and getting them to the hospital. So sanitation is very important in this regard. Other measures are also important. So we must take all on board and make sure that we get everything in the right order.
I see Ghana in the next 10 years or 5 years having a very reformed policies, especially on the healthcare issue, because most of the political parties nowadays have really tied their interest into that, especially in education and healthcare. So with education and healthcare, well, I believe for the next 10 years or 5 years, we're going to see a lot of changes.
We have to try and get healthcare facilities available.
And my vision is that every citizen of Ghana, a Ghanaian citizen, can go to the hospital and not caring for the kind of job you do or where you live, just have free healthcare anywhere in the next 10 years, anywhere, at any time, at any hospital of your choice.
But I think in the next 10 years, Ghana would be able to improve it.
If we are able to do all that, I think some years to come we'll be doing quite well in our health sector.
Ghana is going to be a very great nation, provided our leaders will put in place what we need as citizens of this country.
So in the next 10 years, it will get better.
It will take time. It will be a gradual process.
I trust that in the coming years there will be a new policy in line for the health care, and I think we'll go places.
Vote for me, make a job president. Vote for me, make a job president. Vote for me, I want job president. Vote for me, make a job president. I will make you vice president. Vice president. Vote for me, make a
Follow
job
us
president.
on the social media. On YouTube, it's My Voice GH. And then on Google Plus, use My Voice GH. And then use the hashtag #MyVoiceGH.